Oh, hello everybody. First of all, I need to say sorry for the delay. How to say that? We missed to check the time zone. We just realized that you changed the time zone last week, so therefore we have a short delay in our webinar. I'm really sorry for that. But anyway, thank you very much for joining my webinar. And I would like to say some words about me and my person and what I'm doing here in our company. Yeah, my name is Tobi. I'm the sales manager here of add-ons and media. And yeah, I'm responsible for the sales worldwide. And yeah, now I would like to start directly with our business solution or enterprise solution. And therefore, I would like to share you my screen. So, I would like to start directly how you can set up your digital signage solution in your own brand. And if you decide to go with the white labeling of viewneo, first of all, you will choose a brand name, of course, for that. And yeah, and I choose the brand name CyberSign. Once you get the domain from us, you will get also your own login area later for your clients and, of course, for yourself. And the domain is called cybersign.cms.typer.com. You can use it on, for example, on your website, so that your clients will have access to the content management system. Now I'm logged into the main account, and now the first thing you need to do is to change the colors and the brand name by tapping on the dashboard. The second option is the white label, and now you can select your own logo. I have it already done with CyberSign. I just need to open it, and then the viewneo logo will change to your own brand name, to the logo CyberSign in that case. Afterwards, you can also select your own colors for the header, for the sidebar, for the highlight color, and of course for the link color. I will choose this one because I like the coffee color. And after I save it, I will get directly the whole content management system branded and my corporate identity. And also, if you go back to the login area, you will see that the CyberSign now is also branded at the login area. And now I would like to go back to the main account, to my dashboard. And well, here I can set up the accounts for my clients. Just go to the right upper corner to create an account. Then basically you can select the company's name of this account of your client, for example. I will call it add-ons media. This is our company name. Then I need to enter the email address of the account user. It's in that case Tobias plus webinar at add-ons-media.de. Then I can select the amount of licenses I would like to give for this account. In this case, I will give just one licensee. And here I can also select the storage of the account of your client, but the maximum is 250 gigabytes. So I select this amount, of course. And then I just need to tap on save, and then the account for your client is set it up. So the client of you will get now verification email to verify the account. I have it here in my email account. I also get the emails from the branded account in your customized design. So the client just needs to click on the link, and then he gets directly to his account, and he just needs to enter a password. And then he can start directly managing their own content management system like here. So what else can you do right now is you can create unlimited accounts. And each account you can also edit. You can log into the account and you can lock it or delete it. For example, if the client needs more licenses, then you can say, okay, just tap on edit. Okay, I guess I'm in the wrong. I just need to first log out here. So let's do that again. So now I go back to the main account, to the dashboard, and I would like to give more licenses. Then you just need to edit here, and then you can upgrade the licenses at any time. Here, for example, the client needs now 10 licenses, then you just need to edit here. And now the client account has got 2 licenses. What else can you do here with the account is, of course, you get information about that account, the account name, the super user's email address, and you can select also here the storage every time. More than this, you can check the users. You can log in directly to this account with the users from this user. And also here you can add plugins. I will tell you something more about the plugins later in my webinar. And also I will get more in detail into the content management system with all the features also later. But the first thing is, what I'm trying to explain is how to manage your clients with your own digital signage solution. So, well, we have the user management, we have the white label already done, and more than this, we have an API. That means that you can basically connect any third-party software to your content management system. It's a bit more technical, but you will get a short documentation about our API, how to connect third-party software to our content management system. Well, I would like to go now to the content management system and what else you can do for your sub-accounts. So now I would like to start with the main features of our content management system. That's the same that will also your clients have. So the first point is the user management. Here we have the option to add unlimited users. You can give permissions. For example, the user can only check the user management or have only access to the media library or playlist devices and templates. So it's very easy handling, and I can create a sub-account, sorry, not a sub-account, the user in this field. And once the user is saved, you just need to add a password as well. So let me check the password again. Okay, then you can tap in the name here, of course, the first name and, well, the last name. And also you can select the language here. We have English, German, France, and many other languages here. And then you give the permissions here, and then you just need to save it. And the new user is here registered. Well, the next point is the media database. Here you have the option to upload all your contents like videos, pictures. You can add a Twitter feed, Facebook, YouTube, and also weather or your own website if you like. For example, I would like to add weather. I will choose New York. I just need to search for the city. It's New York. And then I can select the unit, Celsius or Fahrenheit. And once I say OK, I have this content available. And you have also the option to have a preview of that. So this is the content which will be displayed later on the screen, and it's look like that. So more than this, you can create your own content by selecting Create Template. So you will get directly into the template manager. I call it Test Webinar. So what I can see now is a blank field, and now I can start creating my content by selecting, for example, media files from my media library. In this case, I will select the cheeseburger, and as you can see, I can put it at any place. I can select the size, and more than this, I have a text box to add a text. And of course, you have many options like animation, start or end animation. And well, I'm not a designer yet, but I would like just to introduce you some of the main features of the template designer. And once I save it, I have also the option to have a preview of my content. It looks like that. Now I can go back out of the template designer and see the template here in my media file. And from that template, I now can create the content. Yes, here we go. So now I have the content and, well, the template. So I can use this content later for my playlists. And some main features I would like to show you is that you can also share the folders or content with your sub-account users. So once the star is highlighted, this folder is shared with all of your sub-accounts. So everybody from your sub-accounts, so your clients, can have access to this folder and can use this content. You also can send specific content to a specific sub-account. You just need to tap in the email address here, and then the sub-account user will receive the content and can use this content as well. And well, so the next point I would like to show you is the playlists. Here you have the option, just very easy to create a new playlist. Just tap on the plus symbol to create a new playlist. Then you just need to tap in a name for that one. I will call it webinar. Then you already set up the playlist, and on the right side you can see the content from your media library, and then you can start creating your playlist by just drag and drop the content. That's what the template, I'm sorry, the content here. I select some more pictures, for example this one and this one, and just save it, and then you will have your playlist. Then you can tap on each content, for example, to set up the display duration time here. You can schedule each content by creating a new schedule. For example, this content should play only from tomorrow until Saturday, and the time of 11 at 12. And here you can select the weekdays. So I select it should display at each weekday. So this content will be only displayed within this time zone. So what else you can do is you can put playlists into another. That's a good option to, for example, if you not want to change the whole playlist, but only this playlist number 1 have changes, so you can change any content in this playlist. And for example, I change it here every day. The playlist here will update all the contents I did here. So, for example, this will be a static playlist, and the changes will be only within the playlist number 1. So, another feature is that you can also share the playlist with sub-accounts. Then you just need to type in the email address of your sub-account here. It was a webinar. And now I can share the playlist with my sub-account users. So then I would like to go to the devices. Our devices are always based on a group area. So that means that you can set up more than 1 devices within 1 group. And then you can select the playlist for the whole group, or even you can select the playlist later for just 1 device. For example, I created a webinar group, and now I would like to add the device here. I just need to add the device, tap on the plus symbol to add the device. I call this device also webinar. And here I need to enter the activation key. The activation key will be displayed after I installed the viewneo player at the screens. And now I just need the key will be displayed on the screen. And once you enter the key here, and I select my playlist, it's webinar, I just need to save it. And yeah, well, now the device is added. And here I have more settings of my devices. I can select the rotation, for example, clockwise. And I also can select the time zone. The time zone is also always important. If you set up a schedule for the content, then the device needs to be in the correct time zone. I can select the update interval. Mainly it's set on 15 minutes, but I can set it to 1 minute maximum. That means in case I change any content or do any updates, our player will check every minute if there's something new. And once there's something new uploaded or changing in the playlist, the content will be downloaded at the player automatically. And once the new content is downloaded, it will display on the screen. I also can select the volume. In case I have some videos with sound, I can also do interaction. For example, if I have tablets, you can allow interaction. For example, there's a playlist running, and once a client or end customer tap on the tablet, it will appear a website I choose here. And well, I have also many other things. For example, the alarm. For example, if the tablet will be stolen from an end customer, it will appear an alarm. And yes, what else can I say? So information is here about the device. You will see the app version and the product name. I installed our viewneo 4K signage box in that case. And I can see the activation key here. And also I can see the last heartbeat here. And more than this, I can select the timer for the device. That means I can schedule a timing when the player shall go on and off. I would like to do it to use my timers. I can select the name for that. I call it yeah, test. It depends on you what you like to enter here. And I can select the start time. start date, it's from today. And I don't select any end date because it will run always. I can select the start time, I'm sorry. It will start at 8 in the morning, and it will end at let's say 20 in the evening, and it shall be done each weekday. So this device will play according to my display timer. And one more thing I have here is the live ticker. I can select my own live ticker by selecting a text color, a background color, and text here. Or I can enter an RSS feed here from the internet, so you can use also an RSS feed. So finally, I just need to save it, and now I have added my device. And not only for the device you can set these settings, you also can do the settings for the whole group. For example, you have more than one device, and all devices within the group will have the same settings. You can do it directly here. So then some more points I would like to show you is the plugin area. We have many or different plugins which you or your clients can add to the account. For example, weather plugin or YouTube, Facebook, and some other plugins. In case the client want to have new plugins, they will just receive an activation key for that. And or you will receive the activation key, and you need to enter this key for your client's account. So now I would like to show you our pricing system about our business and enterprise solution. You will see on the right side here the business and enterprise. And I would like to share with you some benefits by using our business solution with and without white labeling. First, if you're going to use the business option without white labeling, you will get a very, very good price. It's nearly a 50% off of our basic price. And if you decide to go with a white labeling, you can even set up your own pricing systems because your clients will never know about viewneo, and they even will not know about viewneo's price system. So more than this, you don't need any stuff for developers. You have a ready content management system for your clients. You can start directly within some steps, within just a few minutes. You can select your own brand name, you can select your colors, and start doing your own business. So, I would like to tell you that you can answer, or you can tell me any questions you have right now in the chat, and I will, me and my colleague will answer all your questions right now. Or also after this webinar, you can contact us anytime at tobias@viewneo.com, and we can have talk about our solution. And if you need any specific, you're always welcome to contact me. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best and a good day. Bye-bye.